Page 170 is the new unit. I guess we're going to be using and learning about the primary chords and the major keys, which I'm a little confused. I thought we were already doing that because it's the pattern we've been using. That's what we've been doing. So now they're saying now we're going to learn to do it. I'm confused. I'm too lazy to read all that junk. Just know that in any major key, the 1, the 4, and the 5, 7, 1, you can follow the pattern and transpose it to any other key. They're using C major pretty much because it's the white keys. Now at the bottom of page 170, they've got the C. You see the different keys: C major, F major, G major. That follows the primary chords. So the C major is the 1 chord. F major is the 4 chord. We're just here. And G major is the 5 chord. In C major is what I'm talking about. Then finish. I'm not sure why you want to do all that, but okay, have fun with it. On page 171 at the top, you're just playing the root of the chord. Whatever, it's different patterns for improvising, I guess, if you want to improvise. They have at the bottom of page 170 where you can transpose these to other keys. I would suggest you just go through all the keys. I mean, you can do it chromatically. A chromatic is when you're going up or down by half steps. You do them all. Just get them all. Yeah, right? So you got the C chord. Just go up. Here. And again, the pattern is from the 1 chord to go to the 4 chord. I'm using the top, or here, and the top note goes up 1 key in the scale. Here. And for 5, 7 chord, the bottom note goes down 1 step, and I'm using the top 2 notes in the position. Well, it's the same pattern in any key. Here, so I go up, I'm using that, and the top note goes up 1 key in the scale. Usually tell if you get it wrong. It doesn't sound quite right, you know. And then here, bottom note goes down a half step. I'm using the top 2 notes in the position. Remember, you got to stay in the key. And the E major has 4 sharps. You got the C sharp. You can do them all. Just do all the major scales or all the major keys. They got you doing these, and maybe they're doing them all. I don't know, but they've got the D, the G, the A, D. Well, that's the 1, 4, and the 5 chords in the key of D. D, and the 1 chord is the G. 5 chord is the A. Second one is an E chord. Well, the 4 chord is an A chord, and then the 5 chord is the B chord. The third one is D flat. We did that already. G chord is the 4th chord. And then the 5 chord. And the E flat is here. And the 4 chord is the A flat. And the B flat. And E flat. I was just using the inversion so I'm not moving the hands around, is all.